Welcome to Bike Rider. Today, we're diving into the exciting new Harley-Davidson X440 2025 model. If you're looking for a cruiser that blends classic Harley styling with modern features and accessibility for urban riders, this one deserves your attention. Heritage meets. The 2025 X440 is a noteworthy departure from the big V-twin machines that define much of Harley-Davidson's legacy. With a 440 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine developed cooperatively in India and built in collaboration with Hero MotoCorp, it aims to bring the Harley experience into a more approachable segment. The styling retains the teardrop tank, wide handlebars, and cruiser stance that feel unmistakably Harley, yet scaled for everyday use. Engine performance. Under the hood you'll find a 440 cubic centimeters air and oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing roughly 27 horsepower and 38 newton-meters of torque. Mated to a 6-speed gearbox, its strength lies in strong low and mid-range grunt, ideal for city traffic and casual cruising. In practice, the seat height of about 805 mm and ground clearance of 170 mm make it accessible for many riders. On that note, the curb weight comes in around 190 kg, which is modest for a cruiser and helps with maneuverability. Chassis, suspension, and braking. The chassis is tuned for both comfort and confidence. Up front are KYB 43mm upside-down forks, and twin gas-charged shock absorbers at the rear with preload adjustability. Braking duties are handled by a 320mm disc at the front and 240mm disc at the rear, with dual-channel ABS as standard. And the wheel and tire combo, 18 front and 17 rear with MRF Zapper hike tires in some markets. The end result, a cruiser that handles urban roads and occasional highway stretches more confidently than you might expect. Technology, features, and connectivity. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 X440 is how modern the feature set is. The top trim comes with a 3.5 TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone integration including music and call alerts, turn-by-turn navigation and a USB charging port. Full LED lighting with signature DRLs, automatic headlamp activation and a side stand cutoff add to the features list. The three available variants, Denim, Base, Vivid, Mid, and S, Top, let you pick how much tech and styling you want. Styling, options, and pricing. Styling choices for 2025 include fresh color options such as mustard denim, goldfish silver, Baja orange, and matte black, giving the bike personality. In India, pricing for the X440 is set between 2.39 Indian rupees Lakh and 2.79 Indian rupees Lakh, ex-showroom, depending on the variant. These numbers establish the X440 as one of the most affordable ways to enter the Harley-Davidson lifestyle, especially in markets like India. It also opens up opportunities for younger riders or urban commuters who want cruiser appeal without the full big bike cost and maintenance burden. Why it might appeal and things to consider. If you're drawn to the cruiser AES